Hello guys, my name is Satendra Punya. I'm your anchor, I'm your host, and I think I'm problem advisor. Look guys, life in 2026 is very busy. People are, look, there are a lot of sick guys, so please take care of you. And also guys, one and few look guys, my channel is all about to solve your problem. Okay, my channel is all about to solve your problem, and I'm really wish that you just solve your problem and just live your life very truly blissfully. Truly, look guys, each and every moment of your life is priceless. So make your life like a dream. Make your life like a very precious thing. Don't ruin your life in just sex, drugs, alcohol. Don't ruin this because life is first of all life is very short. Life is like this. This life is like this. If you live 100 years in this planet, you're gonna feel like this. And if you feel like this, I'm just bet you that you live a very tremendous, a very gorgeous life. If you just live your life like this, and if you live life like this, oh, how I will spend whole day, what I will do whole day. Whole day I will get bored. Truly, I'm telling you. Then I am really feel sorry about you. I feel very sorry about you because I really want that you just have a lot of experience of your life, too much adventure. You just sightseeing every country, every palace. You just watch many movies. You just love more, 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 more. You just sing, dance. Live your life like a heaven, truly heaven. Make your life like a heaven. That's why, and my channel is all about to solve your problem. And today's my topic is how you can make your how your dream can make reality. I'll tell you a secret. How your dream can make a really shape and they will look like real. Look guys, first of all I'm telling you, we are truly truly blessed that we have a Hindi cinema, Hindi song. Because one thing I'm telling you, the taste we have, okay, the joy we have, the kind of experience have, no Western country have. Okay, remember this thing. No foreign country have a taste and experience like that. The kind of experience we see in our Indian cinema. Indian cinema is guys very great. We are very fortunate that we have Indian cinema. Okay, and look guys, we have a freedom of anything. We have a creative. We have a super creativity that we can do anything. Okay, so yes, I know over last 10 or 15 years, movies are ruining and there are a lot of garbage and shit are making. But I'm hoping that in future we will see a very different kind of cinema. Too much good cinema we will see. And I'm telling you, I'm giving you a secret how you can make your dream can reality. First of all, you have to see the dream, because and then take a action. Look, take a action until your dream can be fulfilled. This is how you process. First of all, watch the dream, live in the dream, eat, play, sing, everything, whatever you do in dream. Okay, just watch the dream, take a action. Anything, no one can distract you. No one. Until you make your dream can make you reality. Don't stop. Don't ever stop until you succeed. And also, I'm telling you guys, don't stop until you just success in your life. Because guys, a man, what is the success? I mean, success means everything for a man. Look, guys, if you are a man, if you are a boy, then you can understand this thing easily. Success is everything because success will give you name, fame, money, all the luxury and everything. So, yes, first of all, just know very clearly you are alone, whole your life. Being alone is very good, being isolation is very, very good. Okay, and secondly, success is everything for you. So, guys, anyhow, just chase the success. Okay, anyhow, just success in your life, make a lot of money in your life, learn the skill, add talent. Okay, make money, how to make money. This is will build your life, and this is the very harsh reality, guys, that success means everything for a man. I mean, without success, you won't survive in your house, in your society, in your country, nowhere, anywhere you won't survive. Okay, anywhere you won't survive. This is the how important is success in your life. And look, guys, don't care what people do, don't care what people think. It's just a bullshit thing. Just bullshit thing, all this, what people thinking about you, what society. Build your life. Anyhow, just got success in your life. So yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you any opinion, just tell me in comment section. Thank you very much.